In today's video, I'll show you how to install REFramework for Pragmata to enable advanced mods. Check my video description for this REFramework download link and check my video description for this OptiScaler.dll download link. Select this link and download the mod. Once you download these two, right click on REFramework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input.dll inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open the OptiScaler. Scroll down and drag and drop this OptiScaler.dll to desktop. Once you're done, check my video description for this text. Copy the text. Click on this DLL and select rename. Paste the name we copied and press enter. Drag and drop this DLL inside of a game folder. Once you're done, just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key to open up this REFramework. If you want to change the key, then expand the configuration. Menu key, select the menu key and press any key you would like to switch the menu key. I'm going to press 1. And whenever I press the 1 key, this will open the REFramework. To close the OptiScaler, press the insert key. To show you guys it's working, I'm going to enable the free cam. And as you can see, can go anywhere using the arrows. Now, you want to lock position, then select the lock position option and position will be locked. And it's working. Explore lots of more options. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.